What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Katami Poppy. This is my mukbang debut. Oh my gosh, guys. As y'all guys can see today, I got a very delicious plate. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about who I am and what I want to bring to the YouTube community. If you guys are looking for a more delicious way to enjoy delicious food while improving your health and your body, then you came to the right place. If this is the type of content that you like, go ahead and like and subscribe and follow the journey. We're going to be here as long as God wants me to be here, and I'm really here to help you guys out. So without further ado, before I get into my plate here, let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm working with. Right here, I got some beautiful sauteed garlic parmesan asparagus, okay? I also got here some bacon cheddar jicama fries. Yeah, that's right, jicama fries. It is so delicious, guys. Also, I got here my Korean fried chicken. Everything here is keto, low carb, okay? You can eat this as many times throughout the week and lose so much weight, I guarantee you, okay? I've been doing this a very long time, and I know that my calling is to help you guys out. So if this is what you guys like watching people eat, you like watching me eat, thank you for joining me in this journey, and let's get down to it. Yeah, that was really good. You know, the first videos are always so cringy. I honestly don't know how this is gonna go. You know, like, those of y'all mukbangers who got so many videos in the books, if y'all already went to y'all first video and went through that cringe moment of, man, like, I don't know how this is gonna go. Oh, man. Ain't spicy. I kind of overspiced that thing, but you know what I'm saying? These bacon cheddar jicama fries, I was just supposed to take it easy on them, but shoot, I might finish the whole thing before I can even get to the chicken. Let me go ahead and dip this right here. Got this homemade ranch. Excuse me, guys, if I'm talking too much. I'm really hungry. If y'all guys are wondering what's in this glass right here, beautiful glass of Keto Arnold Palmer, American classic. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, let me know what y'all think of my first video. I know it's cringy, so I'm just going with the flow, you feel me? But I know what I'm trying to produce here is very beneficial to you and your health. So if this is something that y'all like, I'm gonna go ahead and drop a blog website and throw some recipes down, but for now, let's stick to the eating. My finger's greasy. Shout out to my family, if y'all watching this right now. Shout out to all the people that know me. Y'all watching this right now? I'm going in. It's so good. So a little bit about myself. My name is Katami Poppy. Probably like a weird name. You see it on the screen, you're just like, what does that mean? Well, my name has emphasis on keto. And I've been on keto / low carb for a little over 6 months. And it's really changed my life. I see life completely different now. It's just like, wow. I mean, even as I'm eating this right now, I'm just like, wow, really? This is keto? Like, yeah, it is. These chicken strips right here, get a good shot of that. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that, but that was breaded with some pork rinds. And to me, man, that tastes way better than any type of chicken I got from any type of joint like Chick-fil-A. You know, I be at Chick-fil-A. Well, I used to be at Chick-fil-A, but because of Chick-fil-A, that's why I'm here with y'all guys right now. Look, there's a lot of people that need help, you know. It's like when you're trying to eat healthy, you think about, oh, let me get a salad. Let me get some chicken breast, you know. And then you go hard for like the first week or two, and then you fall right back off. I've been there. Like, literally, I've been there countless times. I've even had it so bad to where I've gained 40 pounds, lost it all, gained it back, lost it all. I've done it like how many times? My family, that is just crazy. It just happens like that. But after really understanding the true quality of food, what food does when it gets into the body is really amazing when you look deeply into it. Guys, if you're just tuning in, I'm going to throw emphasis. Subscribe, like, and share. To anybody who's just looking for a twist in the mukbang community, you know, I'm not that type of mukbanger that, you know, I break keto too sometimes. I'm going to break keto sometimes on this channel, you feel me? But for the most part, it's going to go down at Katami Poppy. And y'all, the Katami crew. Hey, this video is cringy. I already know. It is, but that's why you guys will ride with me to the end, all right? Y'all gonna ride to the wheels fall off. This thing is unscripted, uncensored, with no sensory. When your boy is thirsty, hold up. Take a little sip. Man, I wish y'all can be here with me sipping. Is this food really healthy? Yes, it is. Absolutely. Come on now. I'm gonna let y'all tune into my Instagram when I open that thing. See how I go down. My favorite hot sauce right here. By Latina. I know the bottle's dirty. This ain't a sponsored video, but you know, it's my favorite hot sauce. But yeah, I reside in Houston, Texas. Born and raised, Houston, Texas. Love it out here. A lot of people come down here. They move out here and stuff. And you know what's so, like, really, like, people be coming down here to my city and they be talking down like it's so boring. Like, Houston is what it is. Like, you know what I'm saying? We chill. We chilling all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like big rappers like Slim Thug, Paul Wall and stuff. If you're a Houstonian for real, you know that we ride slow. Okay? I'm gonna just keep it at that. We ride slow, we keep it chill. We just be chilling, okay? And that's why every city has their own little vibe to it. Haven't been to Cali in a minute, but you know they got that little flow. Everybody got it. You either hate it or love it. You know, this video is so cringy. I'm over here eating asparagus with my fingers. I got some force right here. I ain't gonna mess with that. This is how Kitami gets down, okay? So, what y'all want to know? Is it too good to be true? Can you really eat stuff like this and lose weight? Absolutely. How do I do it? I ain't gonna flash right now, but y'all ask me some questions down in the comments below. Got a lot of food right here. A lot of protein. One of these items here, I tried it for the first time. Can you guess? Bet y'all won't find out. Becoming healthy is real. It really comes down to being consistent. If you can be consistent with it, the sky's the limit. It's all the world is yours. You know what I'm saying? Keep at it every single day. Just keep going at it. Every day that you wake up, grind, you know. If there's a certain physique that you're looking for, stick to it. A lot of people don't stick to it. Woo. Yeah, y'all can't feel that, but my throat was real cold off that last drink. That's some good stuff right there. Hey, that right there changed your life. That Arnold Palmer. Hey, y'all stay tuned. Y'all gonna know about everything that I get down with. Excuse my ratchet. But we just having fun out here. Normally, I wouldn't have this much food on my plate, you know, but I be fasting. Like today, I did a 24-hour fast. And you gotta be careful, man. Like I tell people about fasting all the time. People, Alex. First name is Alex. Now that y'all know, I'm over here trying to tell a story and stuff. First name is Alex. How many hours do you fast? Depends on what I ate yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Shoot. You know how it is when you got families who got birthday parties and stuff. They be going crazy. You know what I mean? It's like they bring out the cake. And you know dang well you like some chocolate cake. And you that one person that's just trying to, like, you know, stay fit with it. You got something coming up a few days from now. You're like, dang, you really gonna bring out that chocolate cake like that with the buttercream frosting on it? You know I gotta get a piece of that. So this is how I do it. Look, when I break keto, it's gonna be called Keto Has Left the Chat. And hey, it happens. Y'all can't tell me I'm lying. It happens all the time. You go to your mom's house, you go to your dad's house, parents' house, and they together still, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes, you know, your mama's home cooking. Ain't the most healthiest, but you gonna eat it anyway because that's what you was born and raised with. Imagine telling your mama, no, I can't eat that. You gonna disrespect her like that? Come on now. Look, y'all, I'm a mama's boy. I love my mom's. She knows this. Y'all take care of y'all parents, man, for real. Parents is all you got in this world. You ain't got your parents. If you ain't got their back, come on now. Shout out to my little brother. And his wife. They out there doing their thing. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my little sister. You know, there's a lot of anticipation with this mukbang, man. I truly feel like God has brought me here to share my story with y'all because my life has changed drastically. Woo, man. This food is really getting your boy there. But I'm here for the long term. If I can impact as many lives as I can, then that's what I'm going to do. I'm an introvert. Well, I'm 50-50. I like to have fun too. But I be chilling, man. Like, people be wanting to go out and stuff all the time. It's just like, nah, man. Like, just got paid, I got bills and stuff like that. Like, you go broke real quick going out there in the streets, man. But I ain't trying to talk my mouth full, but you know, have fun when you can. That's all I can say. I'm gonna have a lot of delicious keto dishes here on this channel. And I know I have to be consistent with it. And if you guys stick around and you like and you subscribe, share the video. If y'all find me funny, entertainment, boring, hey, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know I'm weak. I'm weak sauce. It's all good. I got tough skin. I can take a hit to the chin. It's all good. I appreciate y'all spending this time with me. Next time I'm gonna bring some napkins. My lips all wet. It's crazy. See, cringy. Told y'all. First video is always cringy. But I ain't afraid to make mistakes, you feel me? Nobody's perfect. I respond to comments. So leave a comment Let me know what y'all trying to do. Man. Look, guys. First mukbang is in the books. I'm glad that you guys stuck it out with me. Unfortunately, I'm not able to finish my meal. I'm stuffed. And you know what? Look, if y'all guys like something like what I made today, excuse me. If you guys like what I made today, let me know in the comment section below to keep on producing this type of content. I'm trying to change the game in the mukbang community. I'm trying to bring more awareness to keto, low-carb lifestyle to help most people achieve health benefits from what they eat, because the most important thing comes from what you eat. You put in the work elsewhere, you eat good, you're going to look good. This is your boy, Keto Poppy, signing out, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.